Welcome to Christ Center Gamer's latest unboxing of a brand new keyboard from Turtle Beach. This is the Turtle Beach Vulcan 2 TKL. Now, I'm really excited about this keyboard. I know my son and I are arm wrestling to see who's going to review it, so we will see how that works out. I'll let you know. But I promised I'd do the unboxing video, so here you go. A couple things about this one. This is their very first hot swappable mechanical keyboard, which is great. I think all mechanical keyboard switches should be hot swappable nowadays, because why not, right? This has advanced anti-ghosting, 50 million keystroke life cycle, intelligent RGB lighting. I've always found their keyboards to be very attractive. Not everybody likes the feel of their keycapless style that they have, but they are sharp looking. There's no question about that. Give me a good look at the bottom of the box there. So a few relevant things. It has a slim form factor with aluminum top plate. It's got a dedicated media wheel with push function. It's got various media keys doubled on the function keys. Again, the hot swappable switches, pre-lube stabilizers, included keycap and switch puller, which is awesome. This one includes the linear red switches and 1.8 millimeter actuation, which is a pretty good spot, and a quiet sounding 45 grams of force. Okay, let's see. And actually, I'm going to be comparing this directly against their TKL Pro, which is their Hall effect, which we reviewed last year, I think. So yeah, let's give this a try. I'm really excited about hot swappable switches. I think it's so great. I can't say enough how great that is. So this has 1,000 hertz polling rate. So, okay. Yep. In fact, it's third-party keycaps compatible, which is also wonderful. All right. So let's see what's in this box. We've got a keyboard and a cable on the top and some other goodies here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the keyboard for now. We'll get to that in just a moment. We've got our Vulcan 2 TKL manual right there. It's got a little QR code in the front. All right, and then we've got some stuff here in the box. Yep, there's the cable. Nice braided cable. I do love Turtle Beach's cables. I know it sounds silly, but they're high quality. Looks like the packaging has some extra foam on this side I never noticed before. It does not appear that there's any wrist rest in this box, so I know the Pro had a wrist rest in the box, but I did not see them here. And we've got some goodies in here. So let's see what's in the goodie bag, or goodie box. I'm guessing this is where our key switch puller is, which we will test out shortly. I have gotten into customizing keyboards more on my own, so the ability to do that is really great. Okay, I'll put that here. Okay, so here we go. First, we got a key switch puller. Yep, it's got Turtle Beach logo on it. There it is. Pretty standard key switch puller. All right, and then we've got 3 extra switches, which is honestly great. Every keyboard that it has swappable switch should have extras because you know why? Sometimes switches go bad. My son has the older Vulcan 1 TKL that he loved. He used it for years. He used it so much that certain switches started to get sticky and not work that well. But it's not swappable. But this one, when they start to go bad, which they will eventually, swap it out. Piece of cake. All right. Now here we go. Oh, there it is. Our Vulcan 2 TKL. We got 2 style of feet sizes in the back. And we've got a nice cable spot on the USB-C port right there. And the keyboard itself. Oh, there's actually some subtle changes here. Oh, interesting. Okay, so there's a new keyboard. I'm going to show you. Well, almost dropped something. I'm going to show you this. There's some subtle changes between this and the older model. So they changed the slope of the keycaps, of the keys, it looks like, and the keycaps. So it's also still got the aluminum plate and the Turtle Beach logo right here, which still looks as good as ever. Compared to this one, these keycaps are more flat. And this one has a more curved profile. Yep, you can see it. All right, I'm gonna turn this around and show you. This is all the older Rocket and Turtle Beach ones looked like this with this style keycaps. And this one is different. Here, go ahead, let me show you. Maybe is that visible? It should be visible. It's harder to see because of the white. But essentially, these keys, there we go. Trying to get the right angle for you to see it. Yeah, see, this is a smooth incline. It's a smooth incline. This has a jump, so it's got that. It's contoured slightly differently, which is probably meant to more closely mirror the cherry profile. Oh, this is nice. This sound. Oh, my mic noise canceling let's see. Let me see if I can turn off the noise canceling here on this microphone. Noise reduction. Okay. Let's see if this will pick it up. There you go. Good, you should be able to hear that. So, here's what it sounds like. Yeah. The feel is different, but this is a much quieter keyboard. Their older ones were clackier. Now, this Hall Effect one was also pretty quiet. This was a big improvement over the older ones in the past. It's still got some sound, but overall, and the feel is different. This has a smoother top, or this is a more of a textured top. But yeah, this is nice. The same great wheel as the older model. Like I said, the keycaps are different. I'm not sure if they're better or worse. They're just different. It's got pretty similar macros. Still got the proper menu button like this one does, which I like. Yeah, spacebar is quieter on this new model. I like it. I really do. This is great. It's got media keys right here on the function layer. Turtle Beach key for that. Profiles, easy shift, Windows keys with the little gamer mode, game mode for brightness and visual effects. 6 macro keys right here. Print, screen, scroll, lock, and pause are functions right here. Yeah, this is really good. Let's go ahead and plug this in and see if you can see what the RGB looks like. I have my tiny little mini computer on just off frame here. Maybe you can see it a little bit. But let's go ahead and see how it looks up. There you go. Look at that RGB goodness. Actually, let me go ahead and pop a key off real quick. I haven't done that yet. Okay, so the LED is on the top. So it's a north-facing LED. This is interesting. Do you pull these switches off sideways or top? Usually it's top and bottom. This one looks like it might be sideways. I'm not sure. Is it still top and bottom? Yeah, it's top and bottom. It's just, there we go. Yeah, it's just got a different style of, the tab isn't visible on the top like it is on some. But here, yeah, we've got north-facing LEDs, so you can see that there. Maybe you can tell, maybe you can't, but here's the switch with a black plastic body and a red top and a clear part with to let the light through. So you can see that right there. So that should clearly come through. It's a 3-pin, though thankfully the socket does support 5 pins, which is important because some switches are 5-pin switches. But this is a 3-pin switch itself, compatible with 5. The switches themselves. Oh, it's saying my password. I should probably not do that on screen. Yeah, I'll do that from my laptop. Okay, all right. Now let me launch a notepad and I'll do a quick typing test here. And I'll get the microphone down low so you can see what it looks like. Oh, silly me. Notepad. All right. This is a test of this keyboard. Not bad. No, it's really not bad. I think this is a nice keyboard. Now, there's a lot of keyboards out there with different sound profiles. Some people like really loud, some people like clacky. This is fairly quiet. I'm surprised. Turtle Beach's keyboards always were good with good tech behind them, but I feel like this is one of their quietest. This is impressively quiet, and I'm going to compare it against the Hall Effect one, which is already their quietest keyboard. before this one, that was probably their quietest. And if I compare this against the previous model, which this one is technically a higher end model because of Hall effect switches, but yeah, this still makes more noise. It sounds good. It feels good. I like how bouncy the Hall effect switches are, how smooth they are. There's a very, very smooth feel to it. But yeah, this one is being a straight up mechanical. It's still really quiet. It's got a little bit of rattle, but not much. Yeah, not bad at all. Okay, well, I hope this is enough. I'm sure this supports Turtle Beach's Swarm 2 software, so thank you so much. Take care, God bless, and have a great day.